I love receiving questions from you out there stamping because chances are if you have a question, many others have the exact same question. I received a question a while back about how to clean the cling labels from stamps, the cling labels on the back of our rubber stamps. And today I'm going to answer that question. Here I have one of our cling rubber stamps that has the cling label on it. So it really helps to hold this to your acrylic block, but that cling label can attract other things like lint or dirt or dust. And over time, maybe it gets dirty. Maybe you drop it on your carpet and it collects something. But I wanted to quickly explain how to clean this. And it's very simple. I am just going to clean it using a baby wipe. I know many of you keep baby wipes in your craft room. Here in a minute, we'll talk about a couple of other ways to use baby wipes, but you can clean off these dirty cling labels just with a baby wipe. Now what you want to do is just use it gently, and you can start, I like to start in the center and just sort of push that dirt off to the edge. Now when you get to the edge, you may have a few little fuzzies that kind of stick there on the edge. You can pick those off with your finger if you need to, but this will clean your stamp off nice and quickly. Now once you have this done, just set it aside and let it dry. Once it dries, it is going to be sticky again and will easily adhere to your acrylic blocks. So that's pretty simple. Since we're talking about baby wipes, I thought I would mention a couple other things. Now I know many of you like to clean your stamps with baby wipes, and this is completely personal preference. I prefer my other cleaning tools. I love my Stampin' Scrub that I use, that I can put some stamp cleaner on. This cleans those cracks and crevices of the stamps really well without much effort on my part. And I do use my chamois quite a bit as well, especially when I'm using my Stamparatus. So those are my preferred tools. The reason I don't prefer to clean my stamps with baby wipes is mainly because of the lint that comes off of them. Gets stuck to the stamps, then it ends up on my ink pads, then I have fuzzies on my ink pads, and it just travels around, and those little fuzzies never seem to go away. Now here is a fun way to use baby wipes that you may have seen if you follow along with the things I share, but there's a way to apply ink refills to a baby wipe, and then you use that as your ink pad, which allows you to stamp one stamp with multiple colors and get a look kind of like this one right here. So if you are interested in that, I'm going to put a link in the video description below where you can find a video on that and watch along. But baby wipes are a great tool to keep in your craft room, especially for when you get big messes and you don't, if I don't want to use my chamois or my scrub to clean something up, baby wipes often do the trick. So thanks so much for watching along. I hope this is helpful. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.